Hi and welcome to Awen-lutherie. Welcome to this video build series where we will be building this 1x12 guitar speaker cabinet. I hope you enjoy as we go through all the steps of it, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit like, leave a comment if you want on each video. Thank you very much. Alright, so pretty much every piece is now made for the whole cabinet, and everything has been sanded up to 120 grit, which is as far as I want to bring it for this. So all that's left now is to get finishing. So my plan for this is to do the outside of the cabinet in just a natural. I have here, it's a blend of Osmo Poly X oil and Danish oil. It's about 50-50 mix. So it gives it a little bit of a stain. The Danish oil will darken it a touch, which is exactly what I want. So I'll be doing that. The outside of this and the pine face on the front face of the cabinet. And then for all of the plywood parts, the baffle at the front, the edging of the front cover, the two pieces that go at the back, they're all going to be painted black. And for that I have just an artist's acrylic black paint, which I'm going to mix a little bit of water in just to thin it down a bit, because as it is, it's a bit gloopy. That's the word I want to use. But so I'm going to start on the bottom of the box here, and there's a reason I'm doing that, and that is because once the whole bottom is done, just in one coat it's fine, I can put the rubber feet into it, and then I can get it every other side, and I don't have to wait for this to dry fully, which is exactly what I want. Just a few little tasks left to do now, and the most pressing one is to install, or not install, but drill a hole for a jack plug, because I don't want to be running a lead directly from the speaker straight at the back of the cab. So this is the upper part of the rear cover. If you remember, it's in two different pieces, and this is the upper one. So I want it to be on the top left-hand corner of the cabinet. And this is going to be orientated like this in it. So I'm just going to measure in to about there, literally just eyeballing it, and I'm going to find the midpoint of this piece. So it's going to go there. Very scientific. So I'm going to use a 2mm twist bit now just to drill a pilot hole, and then swap to a 10mm force bit to drill the actual. In fact, I better check that the shaft on this is going to be thick enough. And it's not. Glad I checked that one. So I have it partially drilled through from the front, which I'll go a little bit more. Yeah. I'm just eyeballing it. So that is fine. And now I'm just going to measure about how big I need. Roughly 22 millimeters. Get a different force of it. This is 7/8, which is 22 millimeters. Just quickly check it. Perfect. And I'm going to use that to drill from the back. What that will do then is give me a recess that the jack will fit into. And I'm glad I caught it now, because that would be a pain to do later on. I'm just going to use a countersink then just to clean it up fully. It has broken through the two holes of the met. So for the grill cloth, first of all I'll take off the gloves because they're not the cleanest. I decided to go with a grey cloth. I like the look of it. That's it, pure and simple. So I'll lay this like this, and I'm basically going to position the cloth roughly where it needs to be, and start on one side using the stapler and just keep it reasonably taut. I don't need it super taut. And then I'll cut off the excess once it's all done. Alright, and that is it, all done and dusted. I cannot wait to plug it in and have a hear of it. I think it's going to be pretty good. I absolutely love the look of it. I am a little disappointed at these knots in the front. They're not as nice as I thought they would be, but they match knots here on the top portion, so it's okay. I absolutely love, there's a black band going across the front of it, and I think it looks brilliant. Yeah, I'm really delighted with it. It was definitely a good learning experience for me, and yeah, looking forward to doing a bit more in the future. So all that's left to do with it now is sound test.